Greetings to all my fellow watch enthusiasts on YouTube and Facebook and wherever else this video is being seen. It's Celine Driver again with an unusual and unexpected unboxing. I wasn't expecting this to show up today, but it did. It's something that I've had my eye on for probably a year or so now, since I first heard it was announced, and finally got the opportunity to order one about a few weeks ago, 2-3 weeks ago, and it showed up. Wasn't told, didn't get any shipping notification or tracking number. It just popped up today, and it's not a watch. It is watch related, but it's not a watch. So this is definitely an unusual unboxing for me anyway. I've already opened it just because I couldn't help myself, but ta-da! Aqualung. Guy, what are you doing? You're saying you're reviewing something called Aqualung on a watch channel? Well, dare to be different, but actually this is watch related. As you know from my other videos, I have a great affinity for Doxa dive watch from the 60s, and I've owned many. I've actually sold quite a few off to fund other purchases, but I still have a few left, and I'm not selling them, so don't ask. Recently, again about a year or so ago, I think, somebody can correct me on the timing if they wish, they announced a limited edition watch to celebrate their 50th anniversary called the Silver Lung. It was one of their Sea Ramblers with a tie-in to their Aqualung partnership, which has been on with Doxa for many decades. And in addition to the watch, which I didn't buy because I'm buying other watches right now, they also included the opportunity to get a dive knife. Gorgeous, gorgeous dive knife. Unbelievable. And I had to have it. I had to have the knife. It was relatively inexpensive, and they made it available for order. One of their Argonaut dive knives, instead of being wrapped with the black paracord like they normally do, they wrap it in the Doxa orange paracord, and it comes with a sheath denoting the sub-series 50th anniversary 1968 to 2018, the Aqualung US Divers logo. This is hard plastic with I guess that's so you can tie it to your leg or something. And this rigging here, I'm not a scuba diver anymore. I used to be a long time ago, but I don't do that anymore. But this is obviously something so that you can loop this through these large elongated holes on the side of the sheath and strap this to an arm or a leg, which is nice. And there's some descriptive stuff down there. It's a 5-inch blade, 4 3/4-inch handle, single piece mirror finish, stainless, of course, 5mm paracord wrapping, glass break and multi-tool on the handle, which I'll show you in a minute. And let's see, Kydex, is I'm not pronouncing that right, sheath, and 2 mounting holes, 2 1-inch mounting holes. Anyway, very nice. And unfortunately, it's zip tied, and I didn't think to cut the zip tie off, but we'll just make do. So it has the plastic sheathing here. It has a very sharp sawtooth on one side, straight blade on the other, and very sharp. I'm not going to mess with it. Looks like it needs to be cleaned up a little bit, which I'll do later. Again, has the 1967-2017, which obviously doesn't match that, so somebody got some splaining to do, but I'm not going to quibble. There's your glass break tool on the end. Everything is in a high polish, as you can see. Has a ruler engraved into the, well, not engraved, but imprinted into the spine. And of course the Doxa 1889 logo and the Aqualung logo as well. So it's a collectible. There's the end of the paracord. I guess that's so you can loop it through your wrist for safety's sake. And the orange paracord wrapping. Very nice. And if we take that off and we can quickly, if I can aim this right, and it should click in, but it's probably too tight against the cardboard to do that. Well, it feels like it wants to, but it's, you know, the cardboard is interfering. And I'm not sure if I'm going to unmount this from the cardboard or not. I probably will. Keep the box around. So there you go. Been waiting around for quite a while for this piece to show up, and it just showed up today, so I thought I would make a quick video of it so that you can enjoy something somewhat watch related, but something a little different, and something that a Doxa enthusiast, like I'm sure there are a few, will enjoy. Now, as far as I know, you can go to Doxa's website and still place an order for this without having to order the watches, which I think they only made 300 of them. They sold out like a couple of weeks ago. So if you wanted one of those watches, good luck. God bless, mazel tov, all that, because you ain't going to find one. But I think the knives are still available. They are $159 US dollar. They ship all over the world. This one actually came from, let's see, it was shipped out of Newport News, Virginia. So if you're in the US, they're shipping them out of Virginia. And if you've already ordered one, you're probably going to see it in the next couple of days. So there you go. I'm very happy to be an owner of one of these. I'm going to take very good care of it because I like it. So going to wrap it up there. Got some videos coming up in the near future, so keep an eye on that. Thumbs up if you like my video. Comments down there. And consider subscribing if you're new, and hit the bell icon so that when I post new videos you'll be alerted. Thanks for watching. Have a good rest of your day.